The short and sweet version of Thuy's own quick rice for kids. This recipe is a complete balanced meal on its own. This step can be done with a food processor with its S-shaped blades, a regular chef's knife, or a high-powered blender such as this one. Peel and slice every carrot into 4 parts for a total of 2 medium-sized carrots. Cut every celery stalk in 4 to 5 parts for a total of 2 celery stalks. 1½ fresh garlic cloves, 1 small fresh onion quartered, ½ teaspoon of onion powder, 1/4 of tomato coulis, 1 1/4 cup of water, sea salt and pepper to taste. And please add the one ingredient I forgot here. So, the ingredient I forgot here is 1 1/3 cup of any minced meat, whether it's pork, beef, turkey, or chicken. Adding 1 tablespoon of butter or any kind of cooking oil here is optional if your meat is really lean. So the grind step now. So I think it's okay, it's ready. So you can see the kind of consistency I need here. Be very careful with these S-shaped blades. So in the medium-sized pot, transfer the ground mixture. So you can see in front of me, I have other ingredients, which is ½ cup of raw parboiled rice, fine herbs to taste, your choice, and 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, sea salt to taste. Just a little reminder here. This minced meat should have been added to the grinding step previously. My mistake, sorry. Bring to a boil over maximum heat, and once it comes to a rapid boil, scrape the bottom of the pot and stir for 15 seconds. Then lower heat halfway between minimum and medium settings. Cover the pot for the duration of the cooking time. After 25 to 30 minutes, scrape the bottom of pot just before serving. For those not having a high-powered blender nor a food processor, then finely chop the veggies. Add to the same pot the same amount of each ingredient, 1 1/4 cup of water, 1 1/2 fresh garlic cloves, ½ teaspoon of onion powder, 1 small fresh onion cut in small cubes, 1/4 teaspoon of paprika, 2 celery stalks cut in small cubes, ½ cup of raw parboiled rice, 1 1/3 cup of any kind of mincemeat, 2 carrots cut in small cubes, 1/4 cup of tomato coulis, here, and then fine herbs to taste. You can use any kind. Here I have basil and oregano, Himalayan or sea salt to taste, and pepper. So the cooking process is identical to the previous one. Here are some suggestions. Once rice is cooked, add 3/4 cup of freshly cooked organic green peas or corn to the same pot. It's tastier and colorful. Stir and serve immediately. Or simply squeeze some drops of fresh lemon or lime juice on top of the quick rice just before serving, a natural enhancer for a zesty flavor. This recipe can also be used for stuffed red bell peppers. Simply create an opening on top of each bell pepper with a small knife. A circular opening area of approximately 5 centimeters or 2 inches in diameter is fine. Here I have 1/3 cup of a good cooking oil. I just add to it some sea salt or Himalayan salt and fresh ground pepper. So using a basting brush, apply a thin layer of oil inside every bell pepper. So like this. Stuff the bell pepper with the bacon, letting out half of the bacon strip. I can use 3 to 4 bacons. Now stuff with the cooked Thuy's own quick rice for kids. I can put about 3 big tablespoons. Okay, so I put this bell pepper back here and I just cover with this lovely natural red bell pepper lid and I continue with the stuffing. When everything is done, place everything in an oven-proof pan or a bakeware casserole and cover. Cook in oven at 360 degrees Fahrenheit or 182 degrees Celsius for about 20 minutes, or until the peppers soften. Remove the cover and turn on broil setting, and broil bacon only until slightly golden. Have fun. Here's to your health.